Now, a lot of people start something and they don't go all the way through with it. They start it and expect a lot of success right away. However, if you're an entertainer like Logan Paul,
I don't expect to be forgiven.
Now go ask anyone who has been on YouTube forever or any major celebrity or athlete. What's the one key thing that they're probably all gonna say? It's consistency. Consistency is really important because unless you're an entertainer or someone who can really get fame like that, you're not gonna be able to get the same, you're not gonna be able to get like 1 million subscribers in a year or something like that, where your growth is exponential in a very short amount of time. A lot of us want to create businesses that we can use for basically forever, and it'll just have passive income coming in and just being able to have it always there. And the key part is remaining consistent and being able to constantly work on it. Now that doesn't mean posting every day, don't get me wrong, because that can be consistent, but you will burn yourself out from doing that. What I mean by being consistent is that you're constantly trying to create new ideas, create new interesting things, and really working at it. Now, with content, this obviously means just posting every now and then so people can still see your videos. So things like there's some people who upload maybe once a month, but they have that really good video. There's some people who upload something where they put a lot of effort into it and that effort shows compared to something that maybe someone put together in a few minutes. Whatever works for you is what will show on your success and on how people interpret your content. Let's talk about YouTube, for example. If you're posting every 5 months, then people are not going to remember you and they're going to unsubscribe, and YouTube itself will just not push your videos nearly as much. But let's say you're posting every week, you're posting every few days even, you're gonna be able to get a lot more out of YouTube and everything because people are gonna see it, they're gonna remember you, it's just gonna be better, and you remain consistent. Now let's talk about business. Most businesses will not succeed super quickly. They might have some viral thing that happens and that might help them really quickly. But one thing I've realized from watching all this content online is that as much as people grow quickly, they also come down a lot quicker too. Viral content is great for having that one moment where people really find your content, but most of the time it won't be sustainable and you won't be able to get the same amount of virality compared to something else unless you're literally making yourself like that. For all things considered, like creativity, business, YouTube, these are things to remain consistent in so you can grow and people see your success. They see your social proof. They see everything that you put forward to be able to really attest to what you're trying to do. That also means that some days you might not want to post, you may not want to make a video, you might not want to do certain things. I can tell you right now that for some of my content, I try to record every week, but sometimes I don't have an idea. I don't have the real want to record anything, but I still record. I can tell you right now that for someone like me, where I try to record every week, whether I like it or not, is something to remain consistent. It's something I do to remain consistent because that allows me to constantly have YouTube videos in mind, or allows me to really craft. It allows me to really learn my practice and really get a hold of it and become better at it every time. Everyone, regardless of business, athlete, everything, will probably have a time where they don't want to train, they don't want to work on something. It's just about remaining consistent and pushing through it. Before we get on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Anyway, let's get right back into the video. It's just like if you don't want to go to the gym some days, you have to push yourself out of that comfort zone and just go for it anyway, because sometimes having that break will make you lazy and you won't want to go again. But pushing through it and going even the days you don't want to will make you consistent and make you push through any of the hardship that you're going to encounter over there. So I know I've gone in a bunch of different directions, but long story short, the best thing to do is remain consistent in your business, YouTube, or whatever you're trying to do to improve, because that will automatically mean that you're pushing through the people who have already quit. They are going to be gone and they're going to go some other direction, but at least you will remain consistent, and that will probably lead to your success down the road. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram or any other social media, it'll be right over here. Follow up, and I'd love to interact with some of you. And I really hope you enjoyed and got some value out of this video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.